عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Math grade 7. We are in model 10. Today we want to continue our lesson, relative frequency of sample events. We have extra practice. We solved number 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, and we stopped here in number 7, and we will continue inshallah from here. Who can read exercise number 7, please?
Mr. I will.
Yes, Abdullah.
The frequency table shows the result of the wedding guest meal order. Meals: fish, beef, vegans. Fish is 63, beef is 86, vegetarian is 51. Find the relative frequency that randomized selection guest meal section was fish or beef as percent. Round your answer to the nearest whole percent.
Thank you, Abdullah. I want to from all to read the question again, then try to find the relative frequency, then tell me what is your answer. You have 3 minutes. Start, please.
Mr. I say 75%.
Okay, thank you,
Or
Abdullah.
0.7.
Thank you, Abdullah. Who has different answer?
اشترى
منصور سوي ميوت منصور.
شكرا محمد.
هلا هلا منصور، حياك الله. Who has different answer?
Mr. I say 75%.
Thank you, Falah. Who has different answer?
Huh? 60%.
What is your name?
محمد المعمري.
Thank you, Muhammad. Who has different answer?
75%.
What is your name?
منصور راشد.
Thank you, Mansoor. Okay, who has different answer?
السلام عليكم مستر.
عليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
مستر أنا طلعت برا ورديت دخلت لأن المايك ما كان يشتغل.
ما في مشكلة. طيب, check with me please. The first step, find the total. 36 plus 68 plus 51. So the total will be 155. Then the relative frequency we want fish or beef. Fish or beef means 36 plus 68 The answer will be 104. Divide by the total will be 155. Now we can divide 104 divide by 155. The answer will be 0.6709677, etc. So we can use the estimate. So the answer will be about 0.7. This is as a decimal, and about 70%. 70%. Who has any question here?
No, Mister.
No questions, Mister.
Okay. Who can read exercise number 8? Hamad, please, can you read it, please?
Yes, Mister, I will read it. The frequency table shows the result of a vote in the use price of land to town. Find the relevant frequency that randomly select person's vote in the vote is for a dog park or Mister, what is this word?
Amphitheater.
Amphitheater as a percent. Round your answer to the nearest whole percent.
Thank you, Hamad. I want from all to read the question again, then try to find the relative frequency. Then tell me what is your answer, please. You have 3 minutes. Start, please.
Mister, I say, Mister, this one is 45%.
Thank you,
Or
Abdullah.
0.45.
Great, Abdullah. Who has different answer?
مستر ريحة تطلعني. مستر
نعم.
في أحد طلعني.
ما حدا بيقدر يطلعك، بس بجوز في مشكلة في النت، بس النت يضعف فجأة عندك بيفصل. ما في مشكلة ولا يهمك. بس ما حدا يقدر يطلعك.
Mister, I think 23%. No, Mister, 20%.
Thank you. Hamad, who has different answer?
Mister 20%.
What is your name?
منصور راشد.
Thank you, Mansour. Who has different answer? Okay, check with me, please. The first step, find the total. 76 plus 21 plus 37. will be 134. Then we have a dog park or amphitheater, means 21 plus 37. The answer will be 58. Then we want to write the answer as a percent. So try to write it as a decimal at the first. So do 58 divided by 134. So the answer will be 0.432835, etc. We can use the estimate. So about 0.4. About 40%. Who has any question here? No questions?
No question, Mr. All understand. We all understand it.
Okay, great. Who carried exercise number
Mr.
9?
B, Abdullah Jabri.
Okay, Abdullah.
The graph shows the result of a surgery about favorite hobbies. Favorite hobby, reading, sport, game, music, other. Find the relative frequency that randomized selection students' favorite hobby is reading or sport as a fraction.
Thank you, Abdullah. Okay, as you see, we have this diagram, favorite hobbies. We have reading, sports, games, music, other, and here we have the frequency. And we want to find the relative frequency. I want from all to try to find the relative frequency. You have 3 minutes. Then tell me, please, what is your answer? Start, please.
Mr. I say it's 94%.
Okay, thank you, Abdullah. Who has different answer?
So 50%.
What is your name?
Mansour Rashid.
Thank you, Mansour. Who has different answer? Check with me, please. As you see, here we have 5 diagrams. So at the first, find the total. We have here 10 plus 14 plus 9 plus 5 plus 12. So the total will be 50. Then we need reading or sports. Reading or sports. So take the first two diagrams, two bars here. 10 plus 14. 10 plus 14 will be 24. And we need the answer as a fraction, so we can do simplest form here. You can divide up by 2 and down by 2. 24 divided by 2 will be 12. And 50 divided by 2 will be 25. So the answer will be 12 over 25. This is as a fraction. This is as a fraction. Who has any question here?
No one, sir.
Okay. Who carried exercise number 10?
I can, sir.
استنى.
Mansoor Ali here. Mansoor Al-Ka'bi.
موجود أستاذ.
Can you read please?
The giraffe show the record of spinning a spinner with 4 color lanterns.
Yes, continue here.
Find the relative frequency
Frequency.
that the result of the spinner is not green, is a reflection.
Thank you, Mansoor. Now I want from all to read it again, then try please to find the relative frequency just for not green, for not green. Start please and tell me what is your answer. You have 3 minutes.
Mr. 10 over 42.
Thank you, Abdullah. Who has different answer? What is your name?
منصور راشد 14 over 21.
Thank you, Mansoor.
صراحة 2 over 21.
Thank you, Hamad. Who has different answer? Okay, check with me, please. The first step, find the total. 13 plus 15 plus 10 plus 14 so the total will be 52. And here not green means orange, purple and brown, not green. So you can add 13 plus 15 plus 14 will be 42. And we need the answer as a fraction, so we can do simplest form here. Now divide up and down by 2. 42 divided by 2 will be 21. And 52 divided by 2 will be 26. So the answer as a fraction will be 21 over 26. Who have any question here? Who has any question here?
No, Mister. It's easy.
Okay. حمدان العامري موجود؟
أستاذ عاد بعد شوي أسويها.
طيب يلا هزاع اقرأ هزاع.
The graph shows the resiliency of a survey about
The
favorite sport.
result of survey about favorite sports. Yes, continue هزاع.
Okay, find the relative
Frequency
frequency that a randomly selected student favorite sport is a baseball or soccer as a fraction.
Thank you, Hazza. I want from all to read it again, then try please to find the relative frequency. You have 3 minutes, then tell me what is your answer. Start please.
مستر البيسبول
نعم. عن البيسبول والسكوسر.
Mister, I say 0.14.
0.14. Thank you, Abdullah. Who has different answer?
Mr. I say 0.16.
What is your name?
Falah.
Thank you, Falah. Who has different answer?
محمد المعمري 0.6.
Thank you, Muhammad. Who has different answer?
مستر 0.6.
What is your name?
هزام مستر.
Hazza. Thank you, Hazza. Who has different answer?
أستاذ السموحة إني دخلت متأخر. مش
Okay.
كان عندك عندي.
Okay, no problem. Okay, check with me. And the first find the total. We have 16 plus 11 plus 6 plus 13 plus 15. So the total will be 61. Then we need just for Percival and Scosser. So add 6 plus 13. 6 plus 13 will be 19. And we need the answer as a fraction. Now my question, is it this form simplified or we can do simplest form here?
It's simplified.
Great. Okay, who can read exercise number 12?
Mr. Icon.
Mister, can I read it?
Mister, can I read?
What is your name?
Salam Juma.
Okay, Salim, just wait, please. Okay, Salim, please.
The graph shows how long each customer rented a bicycle.
Yes, continue, find.
Is that correct?
قريته تمام. طيب، إذا شباب جميعا يحاولوا يوجدوا لي الريليتيف فريكونسي، أعطوني الجواب. Okay, check with me.
50.
What is your name?
منصور راشد.
Thank you, Mansoor. Check with me, please. The first step, find the total. 2 plus 21 plus 16 plus 11.
Mister, the total is 50.
So the total will be 50. Great. Thank you, Falah. Then here, as you see, we need more than 2 hours. More than 2 hours. Here, 1 hour, 2 hours. More than 2 hours means 3 and 4. So we can add 16 plus 11 will be 27. The answer as a fraction. My question now, is it simplest? Is this form simplified, or we can do simplest form?
Simplified.
This
Simplified, Mister.
Who has any question here? طيب, I will stop here in number 12. Remember me, inshallah, next lesson to start from 13. Let us to take attendance, then you can leave. Ahmad. أحمد.
موجود.
حمد سعيد.
موجود مستر.
حمدان العامري.
مستر نطلع
موجود.
من اللسن.
اسمه يطلع. حمدان علي.
موجود أستاذ.
زايد. زايد. سالم هداف. سالم هداف. عبد الله مانع. علي حمد. علي حمد. عيسى. عيسى. فلاح.
موجود.
منصور أحمد.
موجود أستاذ.
منصور راشد.
موجود أستاذ.
مستر
مستر عادل نطلع برا.
طلع اسمه يطلع. منصور نايف.
أستاذ موجود منصور نايف.
ميلاد. ميلاد. ميلاد.
موجود مستر. هزاع موجود مستر.
اوكي
مستر
هسه.
هزاع موجود.
خلفان.
موجود.
خليفة.
موجود أستاذ.
قيس.
حاضر أستاذ.
سالم جمعة.
موجود أستاذ.
سلطان. سيف. سيف. عبد الله الجابري.
موجود أستاذ.
عبد الله التميمي. فارس. محمد سالم الراشدي. محمد الراشدي. محمد سالم الراشدي. محمد عبد العزيز.
موجود أستاذ.
محمد
أستاذ
عمار.
موجود.
أنت أستاذ.
موجود
ما قطع يفتح.
أستاذ مع السلامة.
مع السلامة. محمد سالم الراشدي موجود.
محمد عمر موجود. مع السلامة أستاذ.
مع السلامة. منصور علي. منصور
موجود
محمد.
أستاذ. موجود أستاذ.
مشكور منصور علي. منصور محمد.
موجود أستاذ. مع السلامة أستاذ.
مع السلامة. موسى. موسى. محمد الراشدي موجود؟ Okay, this is our period today. Thank you for your listening. Have a nice day. See you
أستاذ أنت
tomorrow.
ما قلت اسمي.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
أستاذ